Students in the TEACH program learn how to work collaboratively with others, how to be a professional in any field, even if they choose not to go into education, the soft skills that you need to be successful in any career. They learn how to build relationships with students. They learn the logistics of being a teacher, how to find state standards, how to connect the standards to activities, how to assess those activities, and really just building those relationships with kids and other teachers.
In TEACH, we got to pick a grade level that we taught during the school year, and you get to make curriculum projects for the grade. So you're able to make like a math game or a science project, and then you get to show it in front of your classmates, and it's like really fun to see all the different experiments and stuff.
So my favorite part of the program is the internships, because they get to take all of the stuff that we've learned in class and take it into the classroom with real kids in real life and see it all come to life.
So with the TEACH program, some skills that I've learned with this class is probably like time management for sure, because they're kind of strict with deadlines. It's kind of like, hey, make sure you get this done. But I've learned time management with that. I've also learned patience, because when you're working with kids, they're also not gonna really understand right away.
They develop a toy. It's called Toys That Teach. So they create and make a toy and then have to explain the educational value of that toy, what kind of students they would use that toy with, why it would be engaging and what they can learn from it. But in general, my favorite part of the program is the internships, because they get to take everything we learned in class and go apply it in a real classroom with real kids and see it all come to life.
TEACH has prepared me for life after high school, probably for just wanting to actually do education as a career. Just wanting to be a teacher. It wasn't really my thing originally, but then after this program I started really just wanting to teach.